Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a face mask with Moringa Leaf Powder. I got this at my local TJ Maxx not too long ago. It is this green powder that looks like this. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and take a bowl and we're going to go ahead and mix in the ingredients. I am going to take 1 tablespoon of the Moringa powder. Alright, next we are going to take some honey, and this is 1 teaspoon. Next we are going to take milk. I'm using almond milk. I don't really buy raw milk, but if you guys have raw milk, that's perfectly fine. If you have almond milk, that's fine as well. So I'm going to take 1 tablespoon right now and see how much I need to make it into a paste. Okay, I'm going to add another one. I'm just going to mix that right now and see if I need more. So you want it to be like a thick paste, not runny or anything. Alright, so I am just gonna pin my hair back because I don't really want to get that in my hair. So let's get started. Here is my skin before. So I know I keep smelling it, but you do want to keep it away from your eyes. Definitely don't want to use Mann Leaf Powder because that would obviously stain your skin. Oh my god. Can you imagine? Just want to cover it all, except you do want to avoid your eyes, like I said. I have these like freaking baby hairs and they bug the shit out of me sometimes. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm not gonna use any face wash or anything. I'm just gonna rinse it with like warm water. Alright you guys, it's been 15 minutes, almost 20 minutes actually. So it's pretty dried. As you can see, I'm lightly touching it and it's not, you know, really coming off. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash it off just with water like I said, and I will be right back. Alright guys, so I just washed my face with warm water and my skin feels really good. Like, it looks good. I feel like it's definitely glowing. I feel like it looks brighter. I do feel like it brightened my skin. My skin feels really clean right now, really soft. Like, I don't even feel like I need to apply any moisturizer right now. But of course, if I were to go outside in the sun, I definitely want to use sunscreen. But it feels really good, like really soft. Like I said, I feel like it's glowing. It doesn't look dull or anything. Definitely brighter. So I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. If you do try it, please let me know what you think. And if you've tried the Moringa powder like in your diet or anything, or as another DIY, I would love to hear it. And if you guys want me to do a DIY with the Moringa powder for like a hair DIY, I would love to do that for you guys. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of this DIY, and if you want to see more DIYs, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I love making these DIYs for you. So if you guys enjoy these, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you guys are already following me on Instagram. Be sure to do that as well. My Instagram name is Sukhi Man _ and I will leave all that in the description box as well with my Snapchat. I feel like there's something in my eye. Yeah, my eye is bugging me. I swear there's something in it. Oh, great. I think I got it out, whatever it was.